Well, this is Dr. Matthew Bramlett, and I've been building some lectures for the University of Illinois College of Medicine Medical School for the medical students and the pediatric residents. And what I'm going through in this scenario is hypoplastic left heart syndrome, and I'm sort of going through different oxygen saturations and the Fick principle, as you can see over here. Has been discussing that. But the thing I'm excited about is I was uh, trialing a new method for adding interactivity into the VR experience. And so what I'm going to do is um, I'm going to press play and you're going to hear the previous version of me right here describing an activity to perform. And I'm just going to play it and I'll pause it here in a second. So now we're going to change the scenario here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up the next scenario, which is this, and I want you to pause it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these values where they go, and I want you to do the same. So pause it, and then when you return, check and see how you did. So I just paused it, and because I was participating in this lecture, I know that he wants me to put the systemic minus mixed venous over the pulmonary venous minus pulmonary arterial oxygen saturations. And so I'm going to grab a 52. I know that that represents mixed venous. So I need a systemic. Where's a 70? Here's a 70. So I'm going to put that down in the systemic circulation. And then 99 is already here in pulmonary venous. So I need a pulmonary artery, which is 70 also. So let me find a 70. Oh, here we go. And so I'm going to put that there. And so now I put 52, 70, 70. Now let me check my work. Okay. So mixed venous, 52. We have systemic saturation, and we have the pulmonary arterial saturation, which you can see. And so in the middle of the lecture, we're able to, as a professor, me standing here performing this before, it didn't take any effort for me to add a level of interactivity into the middle of that lecture. And so the immersion is not just seeing it in 3D, but this idea that there are actions we can take while we're in the environment that allow us to take the learning to a whole new level. Super excited about this one. Hopefully I'll show you some more of the things we're working on here in the near future. All right, see ya.